Good morning. Take a seat.
Thank you, sir. Here's my resume, sir.
Welcome to the interview. Can you start me by telling me a little about yourself?
Good morning, sir. Thank you for having me today. My name is Axel Morena and I'm excited to be here interviewing for the automotive sales manager position.
Can you share an example of successful sales strategy you implemented in the past?
Absolutely. In my previous role, I developed a sales campaign targeting repeat customers which resulted in a 25% increase in sales. I believe this experience demonstrates my ability to analyze market trends and create effective sales strategies.
Okay, thank you. How would you describe your leadership style and how do you motivate your sales team?
I'd say my leadership style is collaborative and results-driven. I believe in my empowering my team members to take ownership of their sales performance and providing the necessary support and resources to help them succeed.
What do you think are the most significant trends shaping the automotive industry right now? And how do you stay current?
I'm passionate about staying up to date on the latest industry trends, including electric and autonomous vehicles, digital retailing, and changing consumer behaviors. I regularly attend industry events, read trade publications, and participate in online forums to stay informed.
Okay, thank you. How do you set and achieve sales goals? And what metrics do you use to measure success?
I believe in setting clear, measurable sales goals and objectives, both for myself and my team. I use metrics such as sales volume, revenue growth, and customer satisfaction to measure success and adjust our sales strategies accordingly.
Thank you for sharing your experience and insight with me today. Do you have any question for me?
Yes, actually. Can you tell me more about the team I'll be working with and what the biggest challenges are facing the sales team right now?
Of course, our sales team is dynamic and experienced group of professionals who are passionate about delivering exceptional customer experience.
Thank you, sir. Take a seat. Mr. Palpulan. So, first tell me about yourself.
I'm Kingsman Patpulan, 20 years old. I'm born in September 17, 2004. I was born in Rosie, Capiz. I just graduated from Technological University, Bachelor of Automotive Technology.
So, why do you want to join the army?
I want to join Army because I love my country and I want to serve to it. And I believe in importance of protecting our nation's values and freedom. And this is my dream and when I was
Also, do you have any experience in working?
yes sir, I work in Jollibee for just in 4 months.
Have you ever been in life and death situation?
When I was a cancer, when my dengue disease.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strengths are my family and my girlfriend because they keep supporting me.
So, are you ready to face challenges and make sacrifices as a soldier?
Yes sir, I am ready.
How do you maintain your physical fitness?
By planning workouts and exercising every day.
you have any experience to firearms or military equipment?
No, sir.
Also, last question, have you ever been involved in criminal activity?
No, sir.
Okay, that's it. So, wait for my call. I will call you later. Thank you, sir.